Good day everyone. Today we'll be discussing about the Benjamin S. Bloom's revised taxonomy. So, Benjamin Samuel Bloom was an American educational psychologist born on February 21, 1913, and he passed away on September 13, 1999. What is Bloom's taxonomy? Bloom's taxonomy is a classification of thinking organized by levels of complexity. And if we define the word taxonomy, it means naming, describing, and classifying. Meanwhile, the word complexity means complicated. So Bloom's taxonomy identified various cognitive processes and arranged them in levels from the simplest to the most complex. The original Bloom's taxonomy, developed in 1956, consists of 6 levels: knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation, with the knowledge is being the simplest and evaluation being the most complex. What is the revised Bloom's taxonomy? Revised Bloom's taxonomy provides measurement tool for thinking. Since Bloom's taxonomy is the structure from the simplest to the most complex, the revision introduced changes in 3 broad categories. First is terminologies, structure, and emphasis. So the terminologies, the new term were introduced. In structure, the framework was modified. The original taxonomy was created in 1956. But many experts agreed to revise it, leading to its release in 2001. Originally, nouns were used, but in 2001, the revised were changed into verb. For example, knowledge became remembering, comprehension became understanding, synthesis became creating.